Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Omio. So let me take you to the website, which is omio.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Omio is a travel booking platform that lets users search and book train, bus, flight, and ferry tickets worldwide. It provides a comprehensive comparison of transportation options, prices, and schedule in just one search. Omio features a user-friendly interface, a mobile app for convenient booking, and customer support to assist with travel needs. So, if you want to book yourself a train, flight, bus, or ferry ticket, you may want to come to the website, explore all the amazing options they have, and book yourself a ticket. But that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Omio. Can we do that? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Omio and start promoting them to our audience, to our traffic. And when we bring bookings to them, and based on the confirmed bookings, we could end up getting commissions from Omio. Wouldn't that be great? So let's learn more about the affiliate program of Omio. So who can join the affiliate program? Basically, the affiliates from which country can join them. As such, I didn't find any restrictions. So as affiliate, regardless of your location, you could end up joining the affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. That means you can promote them to the consumers of any country so long as Omio is accessible in that country. Now, let me take you to the website of travel payouts, which is travelpayouts.com. Now, why are we talking about travel payouts and what it has to do with the affiliate program of Omio? So, Travel Payouts is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there, specializes in travel related affiliate programs. And when we talk about affiliate network, they are mediator between brands and affiliates. So brands are out there, but usually to join the affiliate program, we have to join the respective affiliate network. So in our case, to join the affiliate program of Omio, we have to join Travel Payouts as affiliate. So how do you join Travel Payouts as affiliate? You can simply click on Get Started, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can do sign up, and I understand there are many nuances involved when creating an affiliate account. First, is it free? Of course, it is free. Now, second is there are many things that you have to keep in mind. There are many terminologies, actions, and all those. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use an affiliate account of Travel Payouts. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instruction from that video, create yourself an affiliate account with Travel Payouts. Once you have an account with them, you can come to their website, click on login, which will take you to the login page, enter the email address and password combination, click on sign in, and it will take you to the dashboard. Now, this is the affiliate dashboard where you would be able to interact with all the different travel related brands out there that is available on Travel Payouts, of course, but we will only be talking about Omio. For that, you can click on programs and you can click on all. When you do that, you get to see all the available brands within Travel Payouts. With brands, I mean the affiliate program of brand. So once here, you can search for Omio. Just type in here Omio, followed by a click, and you can see their tile in here. You can click on details and it will take you to Omio program page. Over here, you can see more information. Let's talk about the reward rate. So it is 6% commission rate. That means all the bookings that you will bring to Omio using your tracking link, you will end up getting 6% of that booking amount once the booking has been confirmed. Then if you look at this side, you can see in terms of joining the affiliate program, pre-approval is required. That means you have to click on connect to program. We will talk about that later. And you have to give them up to 2 business days to review your website, your channel details, and to give you the approval accordingly. There are some prerequisites as well. Whenever you will be applying to Omio, you have to ensure whenever you plan to promote them, that specific website, blog, or social media page should contain travel-related content, should have up-to-date content, and at least 2 months old. Then should allow organically integrate affiliate links into your content. That means basically the ability of having tracking links on that specific content of yours. Then does not contain offensive content, viruses, and other negative content, and does not call for illegal action. So these are prerequisites that you should have in mind. So long as you have these things and your content is good, it's highly likely for you to get the approval. Then you can see here rewarded platform. So you could use your tracking links and that could lead the consumers to the desktop version of the website, the mobile version of the website, or in-app. You will still get the commission on the confirmed booking. The payout process. An action is labeled as paid 60 days after the end of the month. Now, what is an action? In travel payouts, all the orders that happen, they consider all those orders or booking as action. Now, what they mean by action is labeled as paid 60 days after the end of the month. That means all the bookings that you do in the month of July, let's say, for example, then after 2 months of July, you may consider those booking as paid, assuming those booking were never canceled, and then you can get the commission. So to summarize, all the bookings that you do in the month of July, you could end up getting the commission somewhere in the month of October. So that's how it works. Then the languages. So these are the website languages. Then comes the target countries. So as I said before, regardless of the countries of your audience or your traffic, you could promote them the Omio anywhere you like, so long as Omio is accessible to the consumers of that country. And if they make the booking, confirm booking, you'll get the commission out of it. Then these are tools available. And then this is about paid search. So you can't include the brand's name or logo in your paid search ads. You can promote this brand through paid search ads as well. So keep that in mind. Then what kind of affiliates do they allow, or affiliates involved in what kind of channels do they allow? They allow an affiliate having website or blog. They also allow affiliate having social media accounts, but all the other you can see here, they don't allow video platform, cashback services, coupon or website, a coupon or promote websites, media bank, travel agency, and personal bookings. Then you can read the terms and conditions to have full awareness of it. And if you ever want to reach out to them, you can simply click on ask a question. It will take you to a form. You can fill the form, and you can expect them to respond to you via email to whatever questions you're going to end up asking them. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to them. For that, you can simply click on connect to program. Over here, it will ask you to select your project, which is basically the content that you've added. So let's say if you have a website, then you have a social media page, so you might end up creating multiple channels on travel payouts. So here you get to see those options available. And if, let's say, if you have given website, a YouTube channel, and a social media page, and for this Omio affiliate program, you could only apply for website and social media. That means only you will see two options available here. So point is, you can choose your channel here, wherever you plan to promote Omio, and click on request to connect. So when you do that, it will give you this prerequisite that we already discussed. And once you have read it, and if you see it's all good, you can click on all good. So what this will do, this will send your details to the affiliate program team of Omio, and they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they will give you the approval. And as you can see, we will email you once the brand reviews your project. It usually takes up to 2 business days. And then you can click on back to connection and just close this. So you will still see the details available. Now, let's say your application went to them and it got the approval. You will be notified by an email. Where would you see their details available in your dashboard? For that, you can click on programs, and you can go to connected. When you go there, you will see all the approved brands in here. So for me, I got the approval from Aralo. Let's see if I would have gotten the approval from Omio as well, I would see them in here. So you got the approval. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. But to promote them, you can just take any link from the website. You have to have tracking link for that. And to get tracking link, you can go to the home page. You see this option, create link. Click on create link. And over here, you can select your project, basically the content type where you want to promote them. You can select the program. So here you can select Omio, and here you can mention the link. So let's say I want to create a tracking link for the flight page of Omio. I can copy this link. I can go here, I can mention the link. And if I'm going to mention, it will update the link. But since I'm trying to create link for Omio by choosing program Arrow, so that's why I got this invalid URL format. Otherwise, if you're selecting the program name properly and the link properly in here, you will see the tracking link here, which you can take and paste it on your online presence for which you have gotten the approval from Omio. So then what? There are other kinds of links as well. For that, let me take you to Omio page. Over here, you can go to tools. And once you're here, you can see there's a widget available. This is search form. So once you have gotten the approval, you will see an option here to design your search widget as well that you can integrate on your website. The link for the search widget would be in HTML format. So it will be in a script tag. So you can paste it at the back end of your website. Then comes the link section. So over here, you would be able to create the tracking links from you directly. You can also use the already available tracking links, and then you click on banners over here. You get to see the banner links as well. There will be link code as well that you can take and paste it at the back end of your website or blog. So that's how you can create your tracking link and get the tracking link from the dashboard for Omio website. So you got the approval. Now what? Now you can start promoting them, but the question arises, where can you promote them? Of course, you should only be promoting them on your approved online presence, but where can you promote them? Like what kind of online presence that be? So there are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So you could promote them on any website or blog. So long as you got the approval, you can basically just use your imagination, creativity, and just promote them anywhere you like. Blog could be amazing, because then you could write about different places, and maybe put 3 links over there with each blog post, one for flight booking, another for ticket train booking, and the third one would be for bus booking. So depending on the blog post, this way you can put your tracking links accordingly. The second option is travel and tourism website. This would be amazing because first, it will gives you high chances to get the approval. Second, people would come to travel and tourism website to search for websites like this, isn't it? So maybe you can create a standalone section just for Omio. In that section, you can put the search widget of Omio, and then also put some other tracking links, basically the banner and other tracking links on that web page that could work in your favor too. Third is social media, which I think would be way better here, because social media gives you the flexibility to do the content as you wish. So you could do post about different places, about ticket booking, flight booking, and all that. You can also create reels, you can also create videos. There's a lot that you can do on social media. So this is how you can promote them. So let's say you go to tracking links, start promoting them, and you start breaking booking to them. Where would you see your performance? For this, you can come to the dashboard once again, and you can go to the Omio program homepage and click on performance. And this is where you would be able to see your performance, all the bookings that you have brought to them. And not just that, you can go to reports, and you can go to performance, and here you can set the period, group by sub-ID, program, device, customer country, and project, and apply to see the performance accordingly. Now, all the commission that will be generated, you get to see here. What about the payment of it? So the payment would come to travel payouts from Omio, and you would be able to get the payment from travel payouts, but the payment method you set up. So for that, you can go to finance, and you can go to payment method. Over here, you have to select your country of residence. So in my case, I'm going to go with my country, which is India. In your case, you can select your country, and you will see the available option depending on the country of residence of yours. So based on what you like, you can see the minimum payout here. So if you go with PayPal, then you would be able to get a commission if your accumulated commission exceeds $50. And you can see your accumulated commission on the top left hand side over here. So the next one is web money, for which the minimum payout is $10. Then you got bank account, USD and Euro for $400, and 400 Euro accordingly. And depending on your country of residence, you'll see different options in here. And let's say if you want to go with this option, the first one, you can click here accordingly, and you get to put in the details depending on the payment method you select. Once you have given the related details of your payment method, you can click on save, and it will get saved. And accordingly, all the commission that will get generated and have crossed this minimum payout, you can expect to get it from travel payouts. All right, so this is how you find the affiliate program of Omio. You apply to them, you get the approval, and start promoting them and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in learning all about the affiliate program of Omio. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.